Let's look at how to move files from your personal Google Drive account to your work drive without manually downloading and re-uploading them. Please note that your Google Workspace administrator can impose sharing restrictions that prevent you from opening files shared from personal Google accounts. Check with your admin if you encounter issues following these steps. Step 1. Log into your personal Google Drive account. Open the file you wish to transfer to your work account and click on the Share button, top right corner. A pop-up like the one in the screenshot will appear. Step 3. Type in your work email address and set the permissions to Editor. Step 4. Click Send. Step 5. Log into your work Google Drive account and go to the Shared with Me tab. Step 6. Find the file you've just shared from your personal account and continue to edit it from your work account. Or make a copy. File Make a Copy to save it anywhere in your Google Drive account for work. Subscribe for more Google Workspace productivity tips or visit workspacetips.io.